Hi, beauties. Okay, so I used to get dry patches in the weirdest places, like not on my elbows, which would make sense, but like right here above my elbows. Huh? I say used to though because I picked up Neostrata's Lotion Plus from Free Gift Friday, and let me tell you, this has been a game changer for baby smooth skin. Lotion Plus is made with 15% glycolic acid to enhance skin turnover. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is a high strength concentration that's really best for experienced glycolic acid users who want to refine and retexture the skin surface. The amazing thing about this is that it can be used on your face, hands, and body. Start with a once daily application and work your way up to 2. Lotion Plus will exfoliate and smooth those dry, rough skin patches and will also enhance clarity and improve the appearance of fine lines associated with photo damage. So I've been using this everywhere, but if you've got sensitive skin, you might want to wait a minute after shaving because it can be a little bit spicy. And keep in mind that because this product has alpha hydroxy acids, it can increase sun sensitivity and really make you a little bit more prone to sunburn. So use a broad spectrum sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and make sure to limit your sun exposure while using this product and also for a week after. I can't wait to hear what you think of this product, so when you try it out, make sure to share your experience on social and tag @NewBeauty. And of course, thanks for being part of the BeautyPass community.